Hi, Ren. Let's say this question. Minimum number of swaps required to group all one together. So let's say we're given an array with binary values 10101 and you need to group all one together with minimum number of swaps required, right? So for this array 101, what if I swap this 0 with this 1? I'll group all one together. So minimum number of swaps is 1. So I'll answer is 1. For example, number two, this is my 101011. If I swap this 0 with 1, I will get my required answer with minimum operation that is 1. Let's see how we can do it. So let's say this is our array 10101. After grouping all, I should get my answer as 1110, comma 0, right? So what I can do if I swap this 0 with this 1, swap 0 with 1, I will get my required answer that is 1110, comma 0. This is example number 1. Let's example number that is 101011. Right now, what if I swap this 0 with this 1? I'll get my required answer that is 001111. All ones are grouped here. All ones are grouped here. Let's see how we can perform this swapping. Right, like before swapping, you need to uh, detect from which element that you will be swapping, right? Let's say this is 10101. Right here, you are swapping this 0 with this 1, right? Let's see how we can select this. So for this selecting this, I'll be using sliding window. What I will do, I'll be using sliding window. I will calculate that window with maximum sum. Why I will calculate window with maximum sum? Let me explain you. This is 10101. Now let's see if I take window of size 3, like this is my window of size 3 with maximum sum, and this is also window of size 3 with maximum sum. Sorry, till here, right? This is also window with maximum that is 2. 2. Now what I will do, once I get my window with maximum sum, I will calculate number of zeros, right? Let's say this is my window. I will calculate number of zeros, स्वैप करना है, तो यही मेरे मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ ऑपरेशंस हो गए. एक और एरे लेते हैं 101011. लेट्स से अगर मैंने विंडो का साइज 4 किया क्योंकि 4 वन है, राइट, 1 2 3 4, तो अगर मैंने ये सेलेक्ट किया तो इसका सम मैक्स आ रहा होगा, राइट, मैक्सिमम इक्वल टू 3. अगर इससे मैं नंबर ऑफ जीरो कैलकुलेट करूं दैट इज 1, तो मेरे को सिर्फ इसको इसको स्वैप करना है और मेरा ऑल वन ग्रुप हो जाएंगे, राइट. तो मेरे को क्या करना है, एक स्लाइड विंडो बनानी है जिसमें हम मैक्सिमम सम फाइंड करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट कैलकुलेट number of zeros in that window, right? This is one of the approach that I'll be using, right? Let's see its code. So I will use VS Code, include IO stream using name space std int main. Now first I need to find size of window. So size of window is equal to number of ones, right? So to count once, I will write a function int count. I'll pass a vector that is int answer, right? And I will include the header file for vector, right? Now I have to find the window of size that is equal to number of ones, right? So I'll put int count is equal to 0 for int I is 0, I less than n, I plus plus. What is n here? Int n is equal to answer dot size, right? Now I will check if answer I is equal to 1. For that I need to do count plus plus. Let's say name is counter to avoid conflict, right? And then I will return my counter, right? Now this counter will tell me the size of the window, right? Now I have to find minimum swaps, right? So I'll name it int minimum swaps, swaps. I'll pass a vector or you can pass array, right? Now first I'll fetch the size of window, int size that is equal to count, uh, count, and I'll pass my answer, right? Now I need to calculate the window with max sum, right? So to do so, I'll be using sliding window, right? So for sliding window, I'll use two pointer, j is 0. I need a int sum to store the sum of the particular value, right? And I need a comparator. So for that, I'll be using int 16, int 16 min, right? Now I'll put my condition like I'll be using while j less than n, right? Now I will calculate sum. So sum plus is equal to answer j. Now I need to tell what is n here. Int n is equal to answer dot sorry size, right? Now I'm checking the size of window. Let's say that is j minus I plus 1 less than size. That is less than size. What I will do, I'll implement j plus plus. Once I hit my window, so for that I will write else if. So the condition for hitting my first window is equal to size. We hit our first window, right? Now once we got our required window, what we'll do, we will calculate the sum, and further on, further traversal, we will find that window with maximum sum. So to do so, I will store output. I'll store sum in output. Output is equal to sum, and now I have to initialize my output. So I will use output is equal to 0, right? No problem. Now, once we got a window, we need to maintain the size of window. So I will do I plus plus and j plus plus, and I will store my maximum in maxi, comma output, right? It will give me the maximum of all those subarrays, right? Once we are done with this, means the traversal part, we'll get our required window with maximum sum. Once we get a required window with maximum sum, we need to find number of 0. To do so, what I will do, I will return k minus maxi, right? So why I'm doing k minus maxi? So let's say let's say this is my window size. This is my required window with maximum sum 3. Now answer is 1. We all know, right? और एक ही स्वैप चाहिए होगा 1 और 0 को स्वैप करके 1 ग्रुप करने के लिए. So let's say this is my window 1011, right? और इसका सम क्या हुआ, सम हो गया 3, के क्या है 4, के मतलब साइज ऑफ विंडो. अगर मैं के माइनस सम कर दूंगा आई विल गेट 1, मतलब इतने ही नंबर ऑफ स्वैप करने पड़ेंगे, राइट? तो दिस इज द लॉजिक. आप इस स्टेप के बाद कोई और लॉजिक लगा सकते हैं, इट्स योर विश, राइट? आई नीड टू wait, this is my else and return k, not but k is nothing, it's just size, sorry, size, I mean size minus maxi. Size is the size of window, right? Uh, Now I need to create my vector. I will first do int c in uh, n. I will create my vector. Let's say I'm saying it answer, right? And I need to push few elements inside my vector. So I'll get a for loop for int I 0, I less than n, I plus plus, c in greater than a. I mean, sorry, I mean writing a, not greater than a. Answer dot push back. I'll push a, right? And then I will call my function cout min swaps. Let's say I'm passing answer here, right? So let's see what answer that it's going to give me. I hope everything is good. One. Let's say I'm saying size of the array. Firstly मैंने n insert किया तो पहले size of array is 5 with value 10101. Answer should be 1, right? So this is my size of window, that is 3. Since number of 1 is 3 here, I will replace with this 0 with this 1. तो एक ही ऑपरेशन लगा तो आंसर इज 1. uh, wait. Why it's giving me 0? Is anything wrong? Sorry, I'm not deducting that the first value, like window जो होगा वो आगे मूव करता रहेगा तो पिछले एलिमेंट को सबट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो सम इज इक्वल टू सम माइनस आंसर आई, राइट? या सो यही पॉइंट मिस कर रहा था मैं. नाउ आई हैव आवर आंसर विल come in 5 1 0 1 0 1. Answer should be 1, right? So I'm getting 1. Let's try for some more values. Let's say I'm 6 is array of size 6 with values 1 0 1 0 0 1 comma 1. Answer should be 1. Yeah, so I'm getting 1, right? So let's solve this GFG question, right? So first I need to create my int count. Count means the size of the window. So I'll pass int arr and int n, and I'll copy my code, right? That I wrote here. Control C, Control V. Just I need to change this name, that is arr, right? And then again I will copy the my whole code. So Control C. Now I need to change the name, so it will come arr and uh, yes, arr. And now since we have passed arr, and I'll pass n, right? So function की definition ही ऐसी है. And I have to remove this since क्योंकि n पहले से define है, right? And इसको remove करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि n पहले से defined है already, right? Now since we are done with our writing of code, we need to find edge cases. So let's say size window का size, let's say uh, window size is 0. अगर window का size 0 है मतलब if size equal to 0, मतलब मेरे को कुछ रिटर्न नहीं करना, रिटर्न -1 कर सकता हूँ मैं, रिटर्न -1. एंड लेट्स से विंडो साइज इज n, मतलब उस पर्टिकुलर विंडो में सब 1 1 है, तो उस केस में मेरे को रिटर्न 0 करना है सिर्फ, और कुछ नहीं. इफ साइज इक्वल टू n, रिटर्न 0, राइट? लेट्स सी, सबमिट करते हैं इसको. या सो वी आर डन विद दिस. एक बार इसको वो कर लेते हैं, ड्राई रन. हाँ ठीक है. तो लेट्स से दिस इज आवर कोड. वेट. Yeah, this is our code, right? और इसको एक एज केसेस, एक टेस्ट केस में लगा के देखते हैं काम करता है कि नहीं करता. काम तो कर रहा है ऑफ कोर्स, फॉर प्रैक्टिस. सो राइट, दिस इज आवर कोड, right? And I'll be taking a test kit that is 10101. I'm taking a simpler one, you can take a bit complex, right? So this particular piece of code will give me the size of window. So size is equal to 1, 2, 3. Number of ones is calculate number of one, that is 3 here, right? Now size is 3 here. These are edge cases, right? Now I is 0, I is here, and j is also here, right? Now we'll calculate the sum. Sum is equal to sum plus answer j. For this value, sum is 1 here. Now I will check this particular value if condition j minus 1, j is 0, I is 0, 1 less than 3 size, राइट सो 1 इज लेस देन 3 तो j को इंक्रीमेंट कर दिया j इधर आ गया सम अभी 1 रहेगा क्योंकि 1 प्लस 0 स्टिल 1 राइट j 1 हो चुका है अब सो 1 माइनस i स्टिल 0 i प्लस 1 इज 2 लेस देन 3 तो j को फिर से इंप्लीमेंट कर दिया नाउ j इज 2 सो 2 माइनस i स्टिल 0 प्लस 1 दैट इज इक्वल टू 3 मतलब ये पहला विंडो हिट कर चुका है तो दिस इज माय फर्स्ट विंडो हिट कर चुका है तो सम कैलकुलेट होके अभी आ चुका है 2 सम कैलकुलेट हो चुका आ चुका है 2 तो मतलब आउटपुट में भी स्टोर है 2 ठीक है नाउ फिर मैं सिंस विंडो आगे मूव करूंगा ये 3 की साइज तो विंडो ये वाला मूव करूंगा मतलब मैं इस 0 को इंक्लूड करूंगा और 1 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करूंगा तो जस्ट मैंने 1 इधर सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है और मैक्सिमम में कंपेयर कर रहा हूँ इस विंडो में सब मेरा मैक्स आएगा राइट तो पहली विंडो में मेरा सम आ गया 2 ठीक है तो मैक्सिमम पहले 2 स्टोर हो गया अगली विंडो में 1 आ जाएगा और उससे अगली विंडो फिर 2 आ जाएगा मतलब मेरे को एक ऐसा विंडो मिल जाएगा जिसमें मेरे 2 1 होंगे और इनका सम मैक्स होगा राइट अब मैंने क्या बोला था सम निकाल लिया मैंने 2 विंडो का साइज 3 है मैं दोनों सब्ट्रैक्ट करूंगा तो 1 आ जाएगा मतलब हमें सिर्फ एक ऑपरेशन चाहिए और ये तो सही भी है हमें सिर्फ एक ही स्वैप करना है 0 को 1 से कि सारे 1 एक साथ आ जाए राइट यही लिखा है एट लास्ट साइज माइनस मैक्सी तो इट टेल्स नंबर ऑफ 0 it says number of zeros in window right or you can use any other method एक for loop लगा सकते थे हमें i j के कोऑर्डिनेट पता ही है ठीक है कुछ भी कर सकते थे मैंने सिर्फ ये किया है ठीक है या थैंक यू